guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I have a super exciting announcement to show you guys. Bootstrap Farmer sent these out. I am so excited. I have known about their company for a long time, but they were so generous. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Bootstrap Farmer, for sending these out to us to show you guys. These are their seed trays and pots. So if you guys don't know about them, they are made to be seed trays forever. They are such hard plastic. I told Sebastian, reminds me of almost like those milk crates, how hard it is. And they've made this since, you know, sadly in the garden world, a lot of plastic is used, but these are made to last forever. You cannot destroy this thing. This is their 72, I believe, cell tray count. The awesome thing is they have it, I don't know if you can see the slits in there. Right there, so that it's kind of like when you do soil blocks, or if you don't know about soil blocks, it's really good for the roots. So it's like air pruning the roots. They don't go round and round. They get to go down and out, which is the most awesome thing ever for your seedlings. And they make it finger friendly so you can push it through, which is so awesome. I actually have in the past we get these from a nursery sometimes when we get plug trays in. This is what they come in, and I have kind of self-made this. I've cut the edge off of this so it fits in our black tray. Oh my gosh, it's like torture because it hurts your fingers so badly to cut this off. And then, you know, it doesn't have the lines, but it's smaller, so I usually have to get a stick to push through all the plugs. So this is such a gift. I am so excited. My hands won't have to hurt from that. And then they have the 2 different size trays you can mix and match. I believe this one is made for the shallow tray so that you can see more of the water, what's going on. You can put it in here if you'd want to, but pretty sure it's for the shallow tray. So again, they make these gorgeous bright colored trays that are super durable and tough. And then this is the taller one. So awesome. And then these are their 4 packs. They have, I believe, 6 packs, and I believe they have singular pots. So they make them in all these fun colors, and they fit really nicely in here. And these again have those lines to air prune, and they're very tough, but not so tough that you can't squeeze it and get your plant out this way or this way. So these are so fun. This is our black tray that I again have cut, and it's a 128 cell tray, and they have those as well. This is if you'd want a larger plug or a smaller plug. And then they have those just like they have these. But I used all of our trays for our seedlings here, and I'm actually going to fill up this one. We are done with all of our nursery stuff with seedlings, so these are just for me, which is so exciting. I'm going to seed some ballerina zinnias. They're a very beautiful pastel color. But I wanted to tell you guys the most exciting announcement is we now have these products, the Bootstrap Farmer all seed starting products, on our website, setapartfarmandgardenshipnow.com. You can get any and all of these. They are an awesome company to work with. Your orders will get fulfilled right away and sent out to you right away. So that is so exciting. I cannot wait for you guys to try their product or get more of their product, because I know I'm going to be enjoying them like crazy. So let's go take this and fill it up with soil. Okay, I have my seed starting mix. I love to use the Espoma seed starting mix, but I've been doing a gigantic amount with the nursery. So Sebastian got me this giant grower's bag of seed starting mix, which is wonderful to have a lot. So just put it in there like that and spread it around, and it's that easy. You can wet it if you want, but you don't have to. Okay, there you can see it is all filled up, and then you just put your seeds in here like normal. I'm so excited. That is so wonderful. Thank you again, Bootstrap Farmer, for sending these out to us and believing in small companies. We are so grateful. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us for this video. I am so excited to tell you about the Bootstrap Farmer products. Check them out, get some for yourself, get them for a present. You will be so thankful to have this high quality product for years and years and years, and you won't have to worry about hurting your fingers or cheap plastic, or ours always break within a year or 2, and they crack on the bottom, which is such a pain because then you got to get more. So these will not do that. Our website again is setapartfarmandgardenshipnow.com. Have a blessed day. Bye.